When people ask me what surgery, it's like I send them this video.
Yo, what the hell? Jesus, why are they so aggressive? Why is that woman yaying? Man's literally just... I've never seen something like it. Although some surgeries though are very aggressive. Like I've seen some C-sections and they're pretty aggressive. Like when they make the cut on the stomach and they enter the body, they're like... They yank that, and there's a reason for that. I don't know how that happened. I don't want to know, but I hear from the emergency department that that kind of stuff happens all the time. Luckily, I haven't seen it yet. I don't want to, but it doesn't look pleasant. Let's be honest. It just doesn't. It looks quite painful, but I guess these things happen. It's good that she's here at the emergency department. Holy hell. That looks like some kind of vortex that would suck you right in. I did not know that that's what a CT scanner looks like. A CT scanner is basically another one of those scanners like MRIs that can be quite useful in diagnosing what the patient has. A CT scan is more like it's like a 3D X-ray, let's just say in simple terms. Yeah, that's called cupping. It seems quite painful, I'm not gonna lie, rather than more therapeutic. You do you. It happens. It's all, again, it's natural. It's something like we see all the time. I have had to clean up people after they've had certain code browns. Presuming this is the code brown that I think it is. Apparently different hospitals have different code browns. Luckily not as a med student, but I worked as a HCA.
I could show you many reasons, different seasons. Hop in my bag and I stay in it.
Why is she wearing it anyway? Most likely they needed access because she collapsed, or she needs a heart check because she's got the ECG on. So she probably needed some chest compressions, some CPR. Shout out to Dr. Mike. The quickest way you've got to cut through. There's not enough time to just like, you know, nonchalant, just raise your arms, take it off. Alright, so that is an extraction of the placenta I'm taking from the caption. Clearly my French is very good. That is quite an uncommon procedure. You don't normally put your hand in and then try and get it out. The placenta normally is delivered on its own just a little bit after the baby comes out. You just tug on the cord that hangs out just a little bit, and then the placenta comes. It's not normally like this. Don't be frightened or threatened by seeing this. Just looking at some of the comments, it's just like snorts birth control.
When the cop agrees to stop at McDonald's first.
She better have got some McFlurry, come on. Yo, what's she getting juice for? How can you be getting juice at McDonald's? Come on, you could do better than that. Although it says she was at the mental health hospital. When I worked in the mental health hospital, we had a lot of patients that would just dip. And we're obviously not, you know, qualified or supposed to run after them. We just know what they're wearing, you know, and then let the police know. And within a day, they're back in the hospital. That is a larynx. So that's the voice box right there. That was my phone going for walkies.
Let me show you how to pull out a hook. So the problem with most hooks is they have a barb. That makes it so when it catches flesh like that, it becomes hard to take out. But luckily, you can quickly disengage
just,
that barb.
This is meant to be my fishing pole. And suddenly you hit someone, well, now you know how to fix it if you do happen to get a fishing hook in. So,
question, duet and blind react.
Let's do this.
What is the biggest muscle in the human body?
Gluteus maximus.
The butt, gluteus maximus.
Yeah,
how much blood does the average body
5
contain?
liters.
5 liters. What is the most common blood type?
O positive.
O positive.
Wait.
A child.
Truck. Yo. What? I see what's happened. So basically her water's broken, so she's left a massive snail trail as she's gone from one side of the hospital to the other. Don't get too embarrassed or anything. It's all natural.
How many bones do we have?
206.
206. Duodenum, ileum, and
Small
jejunum
intestine.
are part of what organ?
Your boy knows.
Small intestine. What is the smallest bone we have?
Stapes, and then the ear.
The stapes in the ear.
Okay, that was just said the exact wordings that she said. I do not know what. Okay, it probably seems like I'm faking it, but I'm not faking it. I'm actually not sure what that is. I'm not sure if that like trying to expand their nose or something, because sometimes the canals in the nose are actually quite like narrow, so I'm not sure if this is to like open it out or what it is, but I've heard that it's really useful before this procedure. Some people are struggling to breathe and this can help them quite a lot, but it's weird. What is he putting out? Why does my phone keep falling? Not good. That's Pete. Why is man dead?
How many bones is a skull
How many bones is
comprised
the
of?
skull? I need a few seconds for that one. 4.
22 bones.
I was very wrong for that.
The MMR vaccine give protection
Measles, mumps and
against what
rubella. I
diseases?
actually did this very same question in a video previously on Aku's channel. Make sure you go check it out.